Hi, I'm Jeff, and I have a problem. I hate this lid, so I'm going to design a better one. This is my coffee grinder. It's made by a company called Fellow, and they've called it the Ode. The operation is simple. Coffee beans go in this end, coffee grounds come out this end. They're deposited into this cup, and when it's finished, you use this lever to articulate the knocker, which knocks out any coffee grounds which might be trapped inside. But this is where the problem lies. See, those coffee grounds knocked out by the knocker have a nasty habit of resting on top of the lid for this cup, which, because it's dome-shaped, has nowhere to fall except for my countertops. So that's what I'm here to fix today. We're gonna take this lid and redesign it into a funnel shape so I can tap it on my counter, and all the grounds will go inside the cup and not all over my kitchen counters. As an added bonus, and because I'm so clever, I'm also gonna design the funnel to fit this AeroPress, or probably any AeroPress, so that I can transfer it from the cup to this, dump my grounds, and if I make a messy, then I can tap this and the grounds will go inside the AeroPress and also not all over my kitchen countertops. So this process should be pretty simple. I'll take some measurements from this cup and the existing lid. I'll make a profile of the funnel that I want to design in CAD. Or I think that's the right word. If it's not the right word, feel free to tell me in the comments. So it'll look something like this. That's the profile. Funnel, lip so that it sits in the cup like the existing lid, but instead of doming, it channels coffee into the cup. Once I've got the profile loaded up and designed in CAD, I'll pick a center line. I'll spin it around that center line and I'll get a lid. It's pretty cool. Then once I've got my 3D model, I'll take it to my 3D printer. That way I can get a lid in the meat space. That I don't hate. If it doesn't work the first time, I'll take it back to the drawing board. Not this one, my computer. And I'll iterate until it works, till I have a lid that I don't hate. Okay, this makes my face hurt. Let's go do it. Okay, I did it. What did I do exactly? Well, I made 5 funnels in 6 attempts. The first attempt, well, it was really obvious that it was way too big when it started printing. Turns out I used the diameter dimensions as radiuses, so that went very wrong. I stuck with the 5th iteration because when I tried this tall boy, it interfered with the knocker. Oh dear. Oh, and we've got one unused feature. See, I made this with a particular ridge that would fit in the top of this AeroPress. It makes the hole smaller. It makes the target smaller. So I don't really use it for that, but I could because the feature's there. I really don't know what else to say. This was a fun project. I didn't really learn anything particularly new. Oh, I guess one thing that I would do differently, I would probably sand this funnel down to be smooth. At the moment, coffee grounds like to get stuck in the layer lines. Other than that, I can't really complain. It works pretty well. It's not a perfect seal. It doesn't prevent all grounds, as you can see here, from finding their way onto my countertops eventually. But as far as getting most of the grounds in the cup, it does a really good job. And I'm going to post it on Thingiverse, and you should go check it out. It'll probably be accompanied with this video. Maybe that's how you found this video. Well, as my brother always says, like and subscribe, and give us a thumbs up, which is also liking. And something about a bell? I don't know. Ask him. I've got a thing to go sand.
Jarf!